Hello viewers, hope all of you are well. In this video, I will show you how to replace or release keyboard cable from acer Aspire E1-572 laptop. So stay tuned. You seems to hear that this keyboard is broken. For this, I will disconnect the keyboard cable from the motherboard and I will use an external keyboard. Change it if you can. Now I will open the laptop. First of all, I will remove all the screw from the laptop. I will remove battery, pressing the lock and turn it, and you will remove also hard drive. Just press here, it will remove automatically. No need to remove RAM. We will need a rubber remover. Looks like it. You just press every side. Here one screw remaining, that's why there is a obstacle. All the screw removed and the side lock is removed. Here you see the motherboard layout cable. This is a touchpad cable and this one is keyboard cable, so I need to remove it from the motherboard because I will use external keyboard. After removing cable, I will set up it again, everything. Thank you so much for watching this video. If it is useful, please don't forget to subscribe the channel and like, comment, share. Thank you.